it like it created, and today I want to show you an unboxing of ribbon from Gwen Studios. I'm going to be working with them along with the DCC on creating a post. There'll be, I believe, 10 different posts from different designers that will be working with Gwen Studios products. So the first thing I have here is this huge box of ribbon, and so we've got all different kinds of stripes. I believe these are all navy and duplicates of each. There might be some duplicates here. So we've got some animal print, some snake print, more stripes over here, hot pink with stars, and then these all seem to be similar in that, and it looks like I have some duplicates here of what is called burlap ribbon. So lots of variety, lots of color. Now, Gwen Studios can be found in a number of different places, but I do know for sure that Walmart carries Gwen Studios. So if that wasn't enough to work with there, they also sent me this huge sewing kit, and I can't even get it all in screen, but let me just kind of show you here. What we've got is, it says it's a 31 piece. So there's a pouch, some scissors, a seam ripper here, 14 pins that are up here in the corner. Not sure if I'm in camera. There we go. A tape measure, 3 needles that are up here in this set. It's got a needle threader, it's got safety pins up here, there's a pin cushion down here, the traditional, I guess that's a strawberry, looks more like a tomato with a strawberry, but I believe those are strawberries. A spool of white thread right here, and a dressmaker's pencil, which is right here, and a tracing wheel. And I am not seeing that, but it must be hiding behind something here. So this is the sewing kit from Gwen Studios. On top of that, they also sent this snap setting tool. And what's in here and interesting is not only is it the tool, and you've got a packing list with tutorial, and here is all the hardware and so forth that's needed, but looking at the snaps here, if I look closely at, if you can see these green ones, they're stars, and the red ones are hearts. The blue ones are round, the whites are round, the yellow are little flower shapes. You see that? Flower shapes. Pinks and reds are the hearts. Right there is the heart shape. The gray is the star shape again. And then black, I'm guessing, is going to be, yeah, it's the round shape. So that's the entire kit that they sent me. And that's not all. I have a few more things to share. They sent 2 large spools, I guess I'd call these spools, of ribbon. And the colors I got, this is like a gross grain, I guess, ribbon. And this is purple. And then I got a smaller one in hot pink. And those kind of go together nicely. There's a lot, and this is heavy. Amazing. This is 5/8 inch by 100 yards, and the hot pink one, it says it's satin, and this one is 3/8 inch by 100 yards. And that's not all. I've got a box of ribbon here that's coordinated and goes together. These this is called, it's a 6-piece ribbon box, and what I have seen from others in their boxes, they got different colors. So this set must come in different patterns and different colors, but the one I got seems to be a hot pink set, and I just love it. It looks like this might be a tassel. I've got a pom-pom here, and then this is gross grain, and then these look like they're satin, and they all coordinate together. and it looks like they're different lengths, but it looks like 6 feet is the longest of what's included in here. Then I have a couple of packages to unbox, if you can believe that. There's these bows here. Sorry for the crinkling, but I truly wanted to unbox in front of you. So, with little twist ties here, so definitely for crafting, but great for little girls' hair as well. Thinking school uniforms and so forth. So there's, it looks like 2 of every kind of these in reds and blues, and I believe they probably coordinate with the ribbon that I got. So let's just take a look here. So yeah, so they're bows made out of the coordinating ribbon. So that's all of those. Let me just take a second. Once again, sorry for the noise. Just want to pick these up and get them off to the side. And then, okay, then we'll go into the burlap, which also looks like it coordinates with the ribbon. And here are all those craft bows. So let's see. Looks like we've got duplicates here of colors. I think this color is my favorite of the set, but there's 5 sets of bows and then 2 of each color. And then the last thing I have, and this is heavy. It looks like there's 2 of all of these in there too. Another set of ribbon here, and these are so sweet. Of course, they're called Sweet Shop, so it might have something to do with it. But look at these colors. Okay, there's 2 of everything. So we've got this with the cupcake. It doesn't look like there's names to these to determine which set is what. But let's just kind of unbox here and see what we've got. So we've got this with the Celebrate and macaroons. And then we have more cupcakes here. Oops, upside down, sorry. So you can see the difference here between the 2 cupcakes. And then we have donuts. This is, and there's 2 of everything. The singular donut, and then we have macaroons in red, white, and blue. So appropriate for this time of year. And there you can see the different colors of those 2. So I am going to be creating something with all this ribbon, and I'll be sharing the blog post here as well as on my site, Try It Like It Create It. And I just wanted to take a moment to thank Gwen Studios for providing all of this material to work with. Isn't it amazing? I look forward to seeing you here again soon. Thanks.